Now I have to miter the left and right side of the bench caps. So when you install, it's nice and flush. Let's miter this with the D36000. There's one mitered side. We'll clean it up with the diamond pad. And there you have it. Mitered on the left, mitered on the right. Let's install. All right, we're finalizing our wainscot, cutting out for our outlets, 1 outlet, 2 outlets, and we have to rip these down just a little bit. Let's show you. Okay guys, today is going to be an easy, simple day. We are going to grout the shower, grout the floor. We are going to sand and spray texture on these walls. And that's pretty much it for today. We've got this awesome DeWalt sander, HEPA filter, Bluetooth as well. No dust, no mess. Let's show you how this thing works. Our texture is sprayed. Everything is prepped and ready for paint. We of course protected the shower. We're gonna pull the plastic and that's it for the day. Come in tomorrow and install the trim kit, vanity, and that's pretty much it. Let's clean up. Shower is all polished up. Next step's real simple. Silicone, seal the pan down here, install our E-shelf. We're working with Maxisil. These tubes run about 13 bucks, great deal. They have all colors. An applicator to smooth out your bead, and then you spray this on after you run your bead so it smooths out nice and uniform. So E-shelf goes in, we're all marked here. We have our diamond bit to open that up in order to accept our tabs. We really like these E-shelves. Simple installation, great option for your soaps. They go really well with the grates as well. Let's install. Now, this all-in-one vanity kit that we installed did not include a backsplash, so we are incorporating the field wall tile in the shower for a backsplash on the vanity and trimming it out with Schluter Jolly right here. It'll tie everything together. Move on over to the valve wall. Handheld mixing valve and trim kit was installed. Shower head raised